Namit ko sila because of my mother. So, siya yung nakilala nung una ng mga missionaries. So, actually, she was a member way back 2000, year 2000. And then, 2018, namit niya ulit yung mga missionaries. So, sinabi niya na member siya. And then, at that time, mga missionaries, nagkaroon sila ng, siguro, na-feel nila ba? So, they visit us sa aming bahay. And then, ayun, napakilala sila sa amin. So, yeah. So, siguro, my mother, because of her, I met the missionaries.
Where did you serve your mission?
When?
Where
Oh,
and
where?
when?
Oh,
Where
where?
and when?
Where and when. Okay, so I was, nag-serve ako sa mission sa General Santos Mission. Pero yung original assign ko sana is sa Davao siya. Pero nagkaroon siya ng split. So, naging under ako ng General Santos. And last year ako, nag-serve 2024 and then kakauwi ko lang last month.